Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna hop right in. I'm gonna take this dark warm honey brown, I don't know what it's called, kiss colors, and I'm gonna put it straight in this bowl, and then I'm just gonna pin one side of the hair while I work on the other side and go back and forth. So what I'm gonna do is section each piece out and pin that up, and then I'm going to be taking the dye on my rat tail comb and applying the dye to the roots of this with the comb. And the reason I'm using the comb is because I have more control instead of using a brush or whatever else you want to use. So I just have more control, and I don't like big roots, like I don't want them too far out. So it's giving me good control. And then I'm just gonna section each piece off and just do it like that. Now you see me lifting this side up and applying it to that side as well. You guys can put it on the top of your tracks if you want to, but I did not. And then I'm just gonna make sure I'm getting that dye into the root all the way, and I'm gonna just do that throughout this whole side. Now I'm showing you guys the back. Please make sure you guys do not forget the back of the roots. Please, 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 please. The part that's going towards the back of your head, or it's going to look weird. Make sure you get every single root on this closure. Make sure you just do that. And what I like to do is the track that's right underneath the closure, I like to put the dye on that part of the roots as well, so no tracks are seen. It's just seamless. And throughout this video, you guys are going to see my nails. You know, we've been in quarantine, so my nails look crazy. One hand looks, you know, and the other hand looks, it's okay. Just don't judge. We're in quarantine right now. Just know, as soon as we get out, as soon as we released from quarantine, I'm going to pop out with a fresh set just for y'all. All right? Okay. So I only did one side of the closure for you guys, and then I'm going to do the other side off camera and then come back and show you guys the results of both sides being done. Okay, so this is the first side, and in the next clip, this is the second side. Then I set a timer for 15 minutes, and I just let that sit on there. Then I washed it out with my almond milk and shea butter shampoo. All products will be in the description box, by the way, if you want to pick up what I used. Then I just filled up a tub full of water, my bad y'all, and some Shimmer shampoo, and I just stirred it up, you dig? And you want to make sure you stir it all the way so all those purple clumps are gone. You do not want that, because it can stain your wig. You will have a patch that is purple, and that is not cute. All right, so then I added some more in there. I tested the water with the wig, and it wasn't what I wanted, so I added some more in there, as you guys can see. And I just saturated the wig in the water. Make sure you guys get the middle of the wig as well. Please get the middle of the wig. and I just kept it in there for like 5 minutes. I just kept dipping it and taking it out to check the color, and that is the color that I wanted. So taking it out the water, and I just blow dried it. Now you want to blow dry this on medium to high heat. Make sure you guys are using heat protectant. Please use heat protectant spray. All right, and I'm just going to blow dry, and yeah. So now we are getting ready to pluck. I don't pluck my closures too much, but I just sectioned it into 3 parts. If you guys want a detailed video on how I pluck closures and frontals, let me know in the description box and I will give you one. But I'm just gonna pluck it, just pluck it enough. Oh my gosh, on to my favorite part. So I'm just gonna go in with this wax stick. I usually use the She's Bomb collection wax stick, but I found this one at my local beauty supply and it works wonders as well. So yeah, and I'm just going to put that on each side and hot comb it to my liking. If you do not have a hot comb and you love you some hair and some flat hair, you need to get a hot comb. They're like $9-10. Like, girl, it's a life changer, I promise you. And my clients love when I get the hot comb out. Oh yes ma'am, she is looking good. So now we're about to take this flat iron. My flat iron is on 430. This flat iron goes up to 450. Please guys, do not be like me and use high heat on your flat iron. But look at this, look at this. The most I do is 2 passes, sometimes 3, just to make sure it's bone straight. I love bone straight hair. If you don't know, now you know. I love bone straight hair. So 2 to 3 passes most for me, but look at this. Amazing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go through and straighten this hair, and y'all sit back and watch the video. Alright, so I'm about to start straightening the top. I do everything in the direction that my part is going. So I'm doing the middle part. So one side is going to the left and one side is going to the right. I just don't straighten to straighten. I just want everything nice, neat and seamless. So yeah, if you're doing a side part, make sure that you're doing everything in the direction that the part is going. If that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. It should make sense. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day and I am ready for install. So I'm just gonna start off by spraying the cap down on each side just with my got to be glue free spray. I'm moving so fast. And then I put just some makeup on my cap, the lace, to make everything look good. My hair is not braided, guys. It's literally in 4 plaits just for this video. So y'all, yeah, my hair is not gonna be flat, but it's gonna be flat enough, boo boo. All right, so what I did was spray I'm doing 3 layers of got to be glue spray, and I'm taking my blow dryer on medium heat, and I'm just blow drying it until it gets tacky, and just 3 layers. It's going to stay for a few days if you do this and keep tying your hair down. Y'all, I'm so sorry, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, but I'm gonna get this video done. So yeah, and then I'm just going to comb everything down and get everything to my liking. And I already cut the baby hairs out last night, so now we're gonna pin our baby hairs back and we're gonna cut our lace once that is glued down to our liking. So you can see that it is not glued down all the way right here, so I'm going to press that into my skin. I'm pressing that lace into my skin, and I'm going to cut the other side, and then I tie it down. If just watch. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that got to be glue spray, and I'm going to put that right in the middle and push that down with the tail of my comb. And then I brush those baby hairs down and out the way and my hair back before I tie it down with my elastic headband. I got this from the beauty supply store. You can get this from Amazon as well. Everything's gonna be in the description box, and you can leave it on there for 5 to 10 minutes and take it off when you're ready, and look, boom, bow, boom, melted into your skin, boo boo. Now this is the time where if you do not like your hairline, it's too thick, it's too full, you can pluck it. And now I'm just going to brush comb, whatever you want to use, that those baby hairs up off my skin, because that got to be glue free spray will hold it down. So I'm going to start molding my baby hairs to my liking, baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, I'm going to use my mousse and just mold them down, and you guys can watch this. So once my baby hairs are to my liking, I'm going to take a little bit more of that free spray before I tie it down again, just to ensure everything is nice and tight. Then I'm going to go with my blow dryer on medium Yeah, then after I blow dried it, I just took off the headband, and look at it. Now, you see it got a little hard because of the hair glue. Not hair glue, hairspray. And I'm just going to fix these hair to my liking. Make them softer, comb them out, and cut them down. If they're long enough, if you like them longer, then that's fine. If you like them shorter, that's fine. Cut them to your liking, your desired liking. I'm just trying to help you guys out. And I'm gonna put some hairspray on the top, and boom, boom, boom. Look at it. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair, and I'm back with my face on. Get it? Yeah, she's cute. She's cute. You better watch out for her. You better watch out for her. Okay, so this is the hair. Literally loving it. Hope it's fine in the back, but whatever. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more hair videos like this, let me know, because I have hair for days, so let me know. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.